And here's the boat parade again. We're watching a pretty cool boat with palm trees and stuff. And there's a pretty wimpy, where is it? Pretty wimpy sailboat. It's so wimpy I can't find it.